What is data science? Simply put, data science is the process of using data to answer questions, find patterns, make predictions, and solve real-world problems. Welcome to Quick Bites Education, where we make learning simple, quick, and clear. Think about it, data is everywhere. Every time you watch a video, shop online, use a fitness app, search on Google, check the weather, or get a recommendation for what to watch next, data is being created. Data science takes that raw information and turns it into something useful. Think of data as the raw ingredient and data science as the recipe that turns it into answers. Instead of guessing what people want, what might happen next, or why something is changing, data science helps us use evidence. That is why it is used in business, healthcare, education, sports, finance, and entertainment. So, what does a data scientist do? A data scientist is someone who works with data to help people make better decisions. They collect data, clean it, study it, find patterns, build models, and explain what the data means. For example, a data scientist might help a company predict which products customers are likely to buy, help a hospital identify health risks earlier, or help a streaming app recommend the next song or video you might like. But a data scientist does not just stare at spreadsheets all day. They ask questions and solve problems using tools like Python, SQL, dashboards, statistics, and machine learning. A simple data science workflow looks like this. First, ask a question. Second, collect the data. Third, clean the data. Fourth, analyze the data. Fifth, create a model, chart, or report. And finally, explain the results clearly. That last step matters a lot because data science is not helpful unless people can understand it and use it. Now let's clear up a common question. What is the difference between data science and data analytics? Data analytics usually focuses on understanding what already happened. For example, a data analyst might ask, how many sales did we make last month? Data science can include analytics, but it often goes a step further by asking, what is likely to happen next? Or, can we build a model that predicts future results? To put it simply, data analytics helps explain the past and present. Data science can explain the past, understand the present, and predict the future. Data analytics finds insights. Data science uses insights, statistics, coding, and machine learning to build smarter systems. Why does all of this matter? Because better data can lead to better decisions. Businesses use data science to understand customers and reduce costs. Doctors use it to improve healthcare. Banks use it to detect fraud. Without data science, many decisions are based on guesses. With data science, decisions are based on facts, patterns, and evidence. So, how can you start learning data science as a beginner? The best way is to start simple. First, learn what data is. Understand rows, columns, tables, and data sets. Next, learn spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets. They are a great place to practice sorting, filtering, formulas, and charts. Then, learn basic statistics. Start with mean, median, mode, percentages, and correlation. After that, learn Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages for data science because it is beginner-friendly and powerful. Then learn SQL, which helps you work with databases. The key is not to try to learn everything at once. Start with small, simple projects. Analyze movie ratings, track your habits, study sports stats, or look at a public data set. The best way to learn data science is to ask a question and use data to answer it. Let's recap. Data science is the process of turning data into insights, predictions, and solutions. A data scientist collects, cleans, analyzes, models, and explains data. Data analytics focuses on what happened, while data science helps predict what might happen next. In one sentence, data science helps us understand the world through data and use that understanding to make better decisions. Like, subscribe, and keep building your knowledge with Quick Bites Education, one quick bite at a time.